Alright, so I got my Jeep Wrangler here. Bolt front tire. So it's time to change the tire. So I figured I'd do a quick YouTube how-to. So jack is in the back. And to remove the pieces, just slide them all out. This one slides out through here. Check your manual on how to do it. Obviously block the tires. Some bricks blocking that back tire, diagonal tire. Now, these pictures are fair, but not really exact. It's kind of difficult to tell exactly what they wanted. So let's go underneath and see exactly what happened. So down under the vehicle, you see the front wheel here? This is the axle tube, like a shock support. Position the jack so it goes right up to the axle tube. The secure part of the vehicle, so definitely don't want to have an accident when you're jacking your car up, especially just to change the tire. In position now. I've got perfectly centered on the jack, on the axle shaft. Before jacking the tire off the ground, get your lug on here. Loosen all your bolts a little bit while it's on the ground, because once you get it off the ground, it'll free spin, and that makes it very difficult to remove it. Assembly of the jack, pretty straightforward. Pop that in through here. I got a nice tool here, Jackie, and crank it up. There are no bonus points for seeing how high you can raise it. All you need is about an inch, so don't go overboard. The big bolt, big hole. Go turn it out, I think. And while I got the thing off, I'll check the brake pads. A quick inspection on all the rubber and the grommets and the housings. The rubber looks good. So we got this great big bolt in here. Work it out. It's actually not leaking air somehow. I'm gonna take it out because it's not good.
You need to patch it up.
I'll patch it with that patch kit there. I'm gonna put both those plugs in since this hole's so big. I'm actually gonna unthread. Quite as big as it looks. Pop this in here. Get it halfway. And then drive it all the way into the tire. There's very little left out. After doing this, you want to drive around a little bit, let it heat up, let it expand, and let it firmly attach itself to the tire. You can see there's a little bit of air coming out of there, but I think once we drive around a bit, it'll be fixed. Yeah, tires back on, still off the ground. All the bolts are finger tightened. So now I'm gonna firm them up in a star pattern. Before lowering the vehicle for the final tighten. Do your final tightening after you remove the jack, put it back on the ground. Beautiful little piece of equipment here. Back it up just a little bit. Secure and snug. There you have it. Repaired the big bolt in the tire on the Jeep Wrangler. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment. And remember, after you plug a tire, drive it around for about 5 miles, 10 miles. Get that rubber nice and hot. It'll make the two materials seize together and form an airtight bond.